back guys to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys this Bluetooth speaker. It's massive. It has, so basically this is called the Stadium LT. It was about, I think, $150, not sure. Yeah, so the main features about this speaker are it has a giant speaker right here. You may not be able to see. It has these disco lights. Wait for it. It just like sets up. So the functions on these disco lights is if you flip the switch once, it's on. If you flip it again, it's on beat mode. So let's say, let me put on a song. As you can see, let me put it to full volume. Let me just turn it down. It's on beat right now. You can actually feel it giving out some air. So yeah, as you can see, it responds to the beat. So it has a mic in, so you can input a microphone. I think it's it's like 4mm or something. It has an aux jack, so you can put in a aux cable and play music from your phone or your computer. So currently I have it linked up with my computer using Bluetooth. It's actually blue right there. So yeah, I just wanted to review this, and I just wanted to show you guys you can charge your devices from here, change the volume, and the best thing about this is that it has a disco light at the top. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and yeah.